Welcome Prince Institute, exercise number 103, Sir Happy Singh, speed at the rate 80 words a minute only. Ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I stand here with a heavy heart because when this bill was being moved at that time, repeatedly sought the intervention of the Honorable Speaker, stating that this bill was a new bill and it should be referred to the standing committee for consideration. I am of the opinion because on an earlier occasion also the Honorable Finance Minister mentioned that the standing committee had deliberated for more than 2 years on this GST bill and it did not need to go to the standing committee. This is a very different type of bill. It is a constitution amendment bill, no doubt, but it is a different type of bill. It concerns respective state government revenues, and it also concerns the central government revenue. It deals with tax, and the basic structure of GST is that it will be a single point tax. That is why a lot of deliberations have taken place after the idea was mooted first in 2000 and subsequently in 2003 after the committee submitted its report. I am not going into all those details. There is another occasion when an amendment bill was referred to the standing committee for consideration, that it is the Company Law Amendment Bill. The Company Law Amendment Bill was referred to the Standing Committee of Finance for consideration. After deliberation, the committee submitted its report to the Parliament and the government of the day took cognizance of a large number of suggestions and came out with a number of amendments. But subsequently the government also came to know that other than the amendments suggested by the standing committee, some new provisions were required because they also discussed with other stakeholders, and some new provisions were also made in the Company Law Amendment Bill. When that bill was again brought before the House, some of us stood up and requested the then Speaker, and subsequently the then Speaker also spoke to the Corporate Affairs Minister, Mr. Moily, who is also a member of this House today, and the government of the day took cognizance of the situation and referred the bill again to the Standing Committee of Finance for consideration of the bill. Because it was a bill with new provisions and a lot of amendments, it was referred again. So it is not that once a bill is referred to the standing committee, it should not be referred to the committee again. Stop.